Hello, today I'm in Kia Stinger. In this video I'll show you how to connect your smartphone with the car via Android Auto. In the beginning, let's prepare the USB cable that you will connect to your smartphone via USB port. Then simply plug the cable to your smartphone. Now the car is reading the USB. Then you'll have to accept some terms on the smartphone and then take a look on the screen display. To enter Android Auto, simply press the Android Auto from the main menu. Now you can enter Google Maps, Spotify, phone, settings. Go to apps, where you've got more apps like Discord, Messenger, Kia, and many more. To disconnect from Android Auto, simply plug your smartphone off. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.